Now my worker is trying to put the accumulator, and they already put the water-cooled condenser, Hanbell screw compressor, and the receiver. For this 10 ton per day tube ice machine, we already put all the components. In the video we can see the liquid receiver, compressor, water-cooled condenser, accumulator, and the red color evaporator. We're going to collect all the pipes, and then this machine will be complete very soon. Today we are collecting the pipes, and it's going to take 2 days. After that we're going to test the machine. Now we are testing this 10 ton per day tube ice machine, and let's have a look how many ice tubes will come out of this machine in every cycle. The ice is 100% transparent, crystal, and beautiful. It's perfect for cooling beverage and drink. This is very good looking ice tubes. Very good looking. Quality ice tubes. It's 100% transparent and crystal.